Discover this beautiful 40-acre property just outside of Melcher-Dallas in the heart of Marion County, Iowa. Whether you're in search for a premium recreational hunting tract or the ideal site for building your dream home, this versatile piece of land checks all of the boxes. Featuring a gently rolling topography, this farm sits in a highly regarded area known for producing trophy caliber whitetail. With access from two sides, you'll have multiple stand entry points to accommodate a variety of wind conditions, ideal for smart, low-impact hunting strategies. The property includes a thick stand of CRP generating nearly 5,000 annually while providing exceptional wildlife habitat, bedding, and cover. Strategically placed food plots enhance the farm's draw and huntability with thoughtful layout supporting optimal access and exit routes. Located just 45 minutes from Des Moines and 30 minutes from Indianola, the property offers both seclusion and convenience. Nearby utilities add potential for future building. Recreational farms of this caliber in Marion County are rare. Don't miss your chance. Schedule your private showing today.